Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another 4 spring outfits styling video. So we're definitely approaching much warmer weather. Like, it's still cool in the mornings, like in the 50s, high 40s, but it's getting into the 70s, high 70s in the afternoon. So we are officially in spring here in Dallas. I know a lot of people aren't, but we are. So I am starting, and hopefully it will just give you inspiration once your weather warms up, or maybe you live in the South and it's already warm. But let's jump in. I have some fun, brighter colors today that I'm very excited. One like sort of athleisure comfy outfit, because you guys seem to like that when I did it, like an activewear one, which I figured I'd throw in one every video or every other video, because I do wear a lot of comfy casual clothes. But let's start with look number 1. We're bringing the trench coat back again. I'm obsessed with trench coats, so you're gonna see it everywhere. But I want to kind of do a white on white with the trench coat and a pop of like a chocolate brown. So let's get into it. Let's start with putting on my Levi 501s and a white tee. We're gonna accessorize. I already have these hemmed from the last time I wore them. Okay, so pop these guys on, and we're gonna do a white on white, because you know I love a white on white look. I love it. I find that if you're doing a look where the whites don't perfectly match, it's okay, as long as you do some sort of accessory to kind of break it up. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but my shirt is more of like a cool toned white, whereas my bottoms are more of a little bit more of a warm tone. But again, I don't think it matters if you accessorize right. So, hey Mr. Scalpers, you wanna go outside? You wanna go down? Go ahead, go down. Scott is down playing video games. He is on his recovery journey from his surgery, which he had on Monday. It'll be a week, or Tuesday, almost a week. Anyway, yeah, so he's down playing video games. I hope it's not a habit that sticks around, but it is what it is. So I put on these little like brown braided flats. I love these from H&M, so cute. And we're gonna do a brown belt. And tonight we have Arlo. His school is doing, for Black History Month, they're doing the Living Museum. And he's being Black Panther, which is Chadwick Boseman, who is who he's like portraying. So I made him a little Black Panther costume. And he was learning his facts yesterday, so that if somebody comes up to him and asks him, who are you, da da da, he's like, I'm Chadwick Boseman. I was born in Anderson, South Arizona. He says Carolina, Arizona, he mixes the two. And then he's like, and I went to Howard University, and I'm Black Panther. So those are his fun facts. This is really cute though, like this. Okay, so see how the brown kind of just like breaks it up a little bit? Does my brain anyways. And then I'm gonna throw on my trench, which I love this thing. It's literally such a good jacket. Okay. So let's pop this on. And then I'm also gonna do a brown hat to kind of get a little bit more casual. Obviously this is cute how it is, just like this, but I was thinking throwing on a baseball cap and kind of completing the outfit. I like to tuck this under. And I am in love with these sunglasses. So good. So here is look number 1. I love it. I love the brown with the white. It's really cute and fresh and fun. I'm a fan. So it also look really cute with like a colorful hat. I still need to order my yellow hat. But I'm obsessed with this. I just love a good brown white moment, and trench coat just elevates any outfit. So again, if you're not wanting to be casual with it, don't throw on the hat, but if you want to be more casual, throw it on with the hat, and it makes it more like approachable daytime, whatever, in my opinion. So look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I actually wore this shirt the other day. It's a new shirt that I got from Old Navy. Well, I've had it for a while, but when I saw it, I was like, yes, springtime vibes. So let's do that. Oy, you all know I'm a sucker for a button up, and I got this embroidered one from Old Navy, which has flowers all over it. It's kind of cropped, which I'm typically not the largest fan of, but I think it's cute. So let's put on, I'm gonna put on my cropped Everlane jeans, because I think it'll look cute with like kind of a cropped jean. I wore them the other day with my Uniqlo ones, but those are dirty, so we're gonna put them on with this, and I think it'll still look really cute. I so desperately want to do a sunless tan tonight. I'm like feeling so pasty. Put these on, and then I'm gonna put on my little shirt. Like I said, it's so cute. Look at all the fun little embroideries. It's kind of wrinkly because I wore it yesterday or two days ago, a couple days ago, whatever. But we're just gonna ignore that. So it's kind of cropped, like I said, but I actually think that's like perfect for the springtime. It's very boxy. I got mine in a size medium. I wanted it to ensure that it was boxy, but if you want it to be more fitted, stay true to size. But I feel like with a boxy shirt, you don't really want it to be fitted. You just kind of want it to be flowy, but I wanted to make sure I had enough length that I wasn't like seeing my belly, you know what I mean? So cute. Again, kind of wrinkly. We're looking past that, okay? But really, really cute. And then I wore it with my clogs. I really want to get a fun pair of clogs. I wanted those green tea ones, the matcha ones, but I cannot find them anymore. They sold out. And I like the blue ones, but I wear so many blue jeans that I kind of like a color that's different than the blue jeans personally. And I have my blue like Adidas sneakers, so I feel like those kind of check that box if I needed to like, you know, wear something blue, whatever. But anyways, this is how I wore it. And I was thinking, if it's still a little chilly where you live, you could pick a color that's in the shirt. So there's yellow, there's pink, there's green, there's red, all the colors of flowers. But I was gonna go with the pink, kind of just. So I think this is so cute. So if you're looking for just like a really affordable little like kind of button up that has some detail, some interest, it's not like super in your face, but kind of giving like Cezanne vibes with the embroidery. I think it's really cute, and except Old Navy is always doing incredible sales, and I feel like the crop is just right. It's not like you see a little tummy, but it's not like anything where I'm like, oh no, you know what I mean? And I love it. So very fun, very springtime. It's cute. So that was look number 2. I'm here for it. Let's move on to look number 3. Again, another button up. We're going yellow with it, and we're gonna do kind of a layered sort of look. So let's pop on some different jeans and tank, and you know the drill. We'll accessorize, we'll style, we'll do all the things. I cannot believe Arlo's birthday is in like a month and a half. I really need to start planning that. He's 5. How is he 5? How is my baby 5? Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my little tank, which I was looking for these because they used to sell them at Abercrombie. They don't anymore, but Old Navy has a ton, and they're a longer length. I'm honestly thinking about getting some more colors in those and getting a white that's a little more fuller length, because these are kind of cropped, but love the style of this tank, like the straps. I'll show you in just a second. I just feel like the top is super flattering. Also, ignore my like cat scratch. Scout decided to give me a big paw to my chest this morning, which was fun. Anyways, so love the shape of this, very flattering, but the fact that it's cropped and all this, it's almost like too much hanging out, so I wish it was a little bit longer, but it's fine because I'm gonna cover it up and layer over it. But we're gonna change into my J.W. Anderson jeans, like more of a medium wash jean. Ooh, I love when I find chapsticks in my pockets. I love these jeans. And a receipt for, oh, the Flight Museum. Okay. Just like the perfect, like looser jean ever. I love them. I love doing like half up, half down type of thing when I have a tank and a button up. I don't know why. I just like the look. So there's that. And then They probably don't have this anymore, so I'm gonna try to find something similar. This is from Zara, which is one of my favorite places to get button-ups. In this like yellow, blue and yellow stripe top. So again, if this wasn't staying, I'd probably just button this bottom button just so that my stomach wasn't hanging out, especially depending on where I'm going. Like if I'm going out of the house, then I don't want it to like show. If I'm like going to pick up Barlow or whatever, I'll button the bottom 2 buttons to ensure that my stomach is not out. I do want to cuff these up a little, or maybe I don't. Maybe I just kind of want to let them out since my chest is kind of covered. I tend to do that. I don't need my arms showing if my chest is out or vice versa. I don't know. Like it kind of can be interchangeable, but I like how this kind of just looks long and slouchy. And for shoes, I was honestly thinking of doing my clogs again, but now that I'm looking at it, I feel like my blue sneakers could look cute. So I have them up here. I'm thinking the blue would look cute. So let's pop these on and see what I think. See what I mean about the blue with the blue? I don't typically like to do too much blue on blue with the blue jeans and the blue shoes. These are a different blue, so it kind of works, but I don't know. Tuck this just a bit and give it a little shape. Cute. Cute, cute. Yes, I like this. Very undone, very slouchy, but very cute, very put together still, with all the different colors going on. I think I'm gonna go like more of a dramatic bang when I go get my bangs done, so I'm trying to like embrace bangs in my face. I think I'm gonna go with a thick type of bang, but not like bangs, like curtain bangs, but anyways, this is cute, sporty, fun. I love it. I love it. Okay, this was look number 3. Again, very spring with the bright yellows and the blues. I'm here for it. My other option was to throw on my Birkenstock clogs, but I think this was a cute winner. So let's move on to the 4th and final look, the look I'm gonna stay in for most of the day until we have the live museum today. Do you wanna come in? Come on. But I'm probably gonna take Mr. Scouty for a walk, so I thought I'd throw this outfit on. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Okay, so let's pop on. I'm gonna do my little striped t-shirt from Uniqlo. This is such a good, I think it's good to have these sort of like put together but really comfy outfits. I think sometimes it's easy to just throw on my sweat shorts with a white tee and be done with it, but this is kind of a fun way to kind of elevate a very basic look that's really comfy and casual, but it's put together and looks good. So let's put it on. I don't know if you guys are like me, but sometimes I feel silly, like, oh, excuse me, if you want to go out, then go out. Go ahead. No, you don't want to. I didn't think so. Oh, you do? Go ahead. Can't make up his mind. Sometimes I feel silly like putting effort into like casual outfits like this, because I'm like, they should be easy, but sometimes they're like, to put them together can take a little work. So let's put on some sweat shorts. I honestly need to pick up a new pair of these just because these were like my most worn item, and they have a little like bleach stain on them. I don't really care that much because you can't really see them too bad, but like, I don't know, be nice. I want a navy pair. I have yellow, like a taupe, and then I have this gray. These are from Abercrombie. They're just like perfect. They're like perfectly slouchy, perfectly like undone, but still like somewhat structured. They have pockets, they're good. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my New Balance. I just picked these up online. They were on sale, and I've been wanting a pair, and I love the green accents. They also have a yellow one, and I was like, oh, those are cute, but I feel like I'll wear the green more. So these are the New Balance 530s. They're the running sneaker. I just plan on walking in them, gymming in them, whatnot, but I think they're so freaking cute. I wore them to the gym this morning, and they're comfy. I will say they're not as cushiony as my 990s. Like the back heel is not as like squishy, but the base at the bottom and everything is very very good for walking. I did not shave my legs, and my legs are very pasty, but oh well. So I'm excited to have a new pair of like walking sneakers. I need to honestly throw away my New Balance or my On's ones because they're so like just beat to heck. I've worn them for many, many miles, but like a little low sock. Oh, you know what would have been cute was my ruffle socks. I should have worn my ruffle socks. Oh well. And since it's like kind of chilly, kind of not, I'm gonna go with a sweater on. And probably midway through my walk, I'll probably take it off and put it on my shoulders. But I want the stripes to like hang out a little and then just tuck this up in here. So you get a good layered look. I'm gonna put my hair up. I love these little scrunchies from Crown Affair. I don't know if they sell them like plain, but they're so good. They're just like little silk scrunchies. My hair is at like a good dirty point when it like actually holds a style in a pony, you know what I mean? I would throw on my glasses and maybe a hat. This is a look, very comfy, very casual, I think very springy, very fun. I love all the colors, but just a good layered like look. I'm a fan, okay? So sometimes you just need a good like comfy basic outfit like this to have in your arsenal for like being put together but still insanely comfortable. So look number 4. So that's it, you guys. That's gonna wrap up my 4 spring looks. I'm gonna take my dog for a walk because it's the perfect outfit to do so, but it's the perfect outfit to do anything and you just look like you took a little time to put together. So a good sneaker and some good sweats that you don't just like destroy like me are really good to have in your arsenal. So if you haven't checked out these sweat shorts from Abercrombie, 10 out of 10. And yeah, I love you guys so much. As always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.